Here's a leak of a new AirPods competitor. It is the Sony WF-1000 XM4 in-ear headphones. And I saw this, I was like, that is a weird-looking shape. It looks kind of like an earring or kind of a jewelry aspect to it. Now, of course, it's going to go in your ear. And we know Sony knows how to make headphones. And we've seen what they've done with the over-ear headphones we've been talking about forever. XM4s. They use the same term. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. So WH-1000 XM4 is the over-ear, and WF-1000 XM4 is the in-ear. And Willie Doo's just seeing other types of M4s on Google Images. Anyway, this is a leak of the upcoming in-ear true wireless earbuds XM4. And apparently, these are going to have all the features you'd expect in a premium in-ear to compete with Apple's product, including high-res audio. The wireless certification stamp is on there. 18 hours of battery when you include what the case provides. 6 hours of playback on the earbuds themselves. And obviously also the noise-canceling features. I'm sure the transparency features are going to be there. But the design of it is curious to me because I'm seeing that little kind of rose gold metallic section. Is that just styling or is that one of the microphones? Are they doing something fancy? It's just a leaked image at the moment. So there are still questions here. But I'm really curious about whether that's a functional piece or strictly a style choice. But does it feel big? It's hard to tell.
I'm guessing this is where it goes in to your ear. This part?
That's where it goes in, Will.
Right here?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and I think the other piece sits up into the ear canal. Big.
At least
I'm guessing it hangs up. Maybe
version.
it can hang. Maybe it can hang down. No, I'm guessing it sits up above.
It looks like it, yeah.
And then probably fits under the cartilage in the ear there.
Sure.
I'm curious, man. We're going to have to wait and see, but I don't know. Maybe you want to hold off and if you're in the market for a wireless earbud. Okay, this next one, speaking of wireless earbuds,